Welcome back, students, to online teaching and learning at Shet Vidya Mandir, English High School and Junior College. Students, in today's class, we shall see the remaining part of the lesson Nature created man and women as equals. So, what do we see in the next part of the lesson is Ashangvi knows well that men and women are equal. Women, who are half of the human race, are as important as men. Ashangvi knows that men and women are equal. She knows, but women who are half of the human race, that is, women are half of that of the count of men. She writes and talks about such topics. Her daughter, though a child, also understands well that her mother is not a person of lesser quality than her father. Now, she herself is able to understand the difference or no difference between her father and her mother. She feels both are equally same. So the girl even says, she says, our home is full of love with you, mother. The daughter, Lantoi, says, our house is full and complete and filled with love with you, mother. The mother beams with joy, comes up or pops up with joy at the words of her daughter. Being such a small girl and understands the difference between her parents is more than anything for that mother. As a matter of fact, mother is the fountain of love in a family. She says even the fact is that the mother is a fountain who brings up all together like a beautiful fountain. She brings up everyone in love in the family. This bond of love is beyond comparison with anything else in the world. This comparison cannot be made with anything else in the world. It is because of this that motherhood has been glorified. Glorified is praised. And women accept the challenges in life to become a mother. Becoming a mother is also a challenge for a woman because she has to take up a lot of challenges and a lot of things she has to face. Showing deep affection, Ashangbi continues, pioneer women testify to the equality of women with men. Pioneer women. What are pioneer women? A person who is among the first two. Pioneer women, the successful women testifies provide proof or evidence to the equality of women with men. Successful women, the ones who are first, have already proved that they are better and equal with comparison to the men's. Moving to the next. Actually, life is not possible without both women and men. Nature needs both men and women. It's not possible without any one a human creation can survive. Lantoi has been fascinated by the stories of pioneer women, famous women, or the women who are always being successful in life. Even her grandmother had narrated many stories of the brave queens like Lantoin Gambi and Kurangana Yani, who were as brave as kings. Those days, her grandmother's years, these two people have been very famous, and they were not any more lesser than a king. There were also many brave women among the common people. These women, as her grandmother narrated, were makers of home, family, society, and the nation. There were many other names which the grandmother had to tell the girl. And she even said that they were not lesser, they were even makers of a home. They took care of the home, they took care of the family, society, and even the nation. They were civilizing influences. Civilizing is what? Educating. Educating influences. Influences is control. They were educating control, or can say power. They had educating power. At the same time, they were also adventurers who claimed their shares in free land, plowed and raised crops with their own hands, and drove cattle. They've even done the work of plowing, cattle grazing, and even raising the crops. Modern women have become mountaineers, reached the mountains, naturalists, astronauts, scientists, soldiers, and even political leaders. Now you can find women in all the streams, all the places you can find these women's exploring. This proves that there is nothing a woman cannot do, and also that women and men were created as equals. There's nothing as that only men can do, even women too can do. Moving ahead, then she asked her mother further, Mother, you have thrown light on the equality. Thrown light is she has highlighted on the points on the equality. of men and women who also have emphasized that the world is still an unequal world, then what I would like to throw is if there are moral, social, and legal provisions to enable women to express their physical and mental potential. Potential is the capacity. So throw light on his word to give information or explanation. She says that it has been moral, social, and legal. Legal is related to law or with the law, in the favor of law. Provisions to enable women to express their physical and mental potential. Potential is the quality or their efforts. And to set themselves free from suppression. Suppression is by force, by not forcing them to do anything and leaving them in their own pace of time. Amazed at the curiosity of her daughter, Ashangbi adds, there are many. Under the aegis of the United Nations, there is a declaration for a new world of equality. It has the following dimensions. She says under the aegis are what? The protection or support. Under the support of the United Nations, there is a declaration for a new world of equality. It has the following dimensions. Dimensions are the categories or the points. Now what are the points? Let's understand. First one is equal access to basic social services including health and education. Second is equal participation in political and economic decision making. These are all the dimensions made for the women rights. They are equal in social services including health and education both. Equal participation in political and economic decision making. Equal reward for equal work. Getting equal reward and there is no comparison in their work. And elimination of discrimination. Elimination is removing completely of discrimination. Discrimination is to discriminate between a man and a woman. And violence against women. Violence is not in the favor of women. These were the rights and the dimensions which were mentioned by the United Nations which were to be followed. Then the mother concluded, my dear daughter, we can affirm us state publicly along with the United Nations that men and women are equals. Along with their help, you can state that men and women are equal. Lantoy understands what her mother means and what the topic of the symposium means. Now she completely understood the topic of discussion and she was very clear about the topic. Thus confident of success, the next day after thanking her mother, the girl of 12, she's just 12 years old, happily rushes out of the room in the bright morning sun. The bright morning sun, after the symposium function, the program was over, she was running out in a bright sun, very happy and cheerful. The blue sky meets the range of the eastern mountains. The small girl is always fascinated is attracted or interested by the small trail. Trail is a mark which winds up the distant purple mountain, which is the end of this lesson. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson. Now, what moral values have we learned from this lesson is, firstly, is man and women are equal creation of God. Secondly, respect everyone equally. Next is no discrimination with regards to gender, that's male or female. And also, education should be equally provided to women. Women are also having equal rights under the law, Indian law, that both can take equal education. Now, what is the action taken, or what is the action or realization that we have to come up with? Men and women must realize their respective equal roles and strive to complement each other. Strive is to help complement each other in their shared struggle to improve life. It's both men and women support we can improve the living of a human being on this earth. In order to correct the abuse of male, abuse is misuse of male dominance. It's not just male dominance, we have to correct those things what people think. Men must concentrate on using their dominant qualities for the good. What dominant qualities they have, they shall use for a good purpose and not misusing it's a male dominant society. They must use their strength to protect and preserve the feminine character. They must use their strength. Men have got more strength, so that strength has to be used to protect the women and the feminine character rather than destroying. Helping women realize their true potential, which the world is so desperately needs it today. So which is the most desperately need is their true potential. What's the true potentiality they have that should be expressed and needed in the country today. So the country desperately needs the help which men can give and support their feminine character and make up a good human beings on this earth. Time for some assessment. Find from the lesson words or phrases that mean the following. Colors. The first word is colors. Now here you have a word or a phrase which is in the lesson which you have to highlight. Colors we have done in the first part of the lesson. It means hues. Hues. A person who writes or for newspapers or magazines is a journalist. Make a difference between is discrimination. Cry over is lament. Why to cry over? Lament. Explain in details is to throw light on. Explain in detail. Abilities and qualities are called as potential. Same availability is equal access. And a person who brings about a social political change is an activist. Fighting for the rights of a person is called as an activist. Now pick out 5 compound words from the lesson. Now what are compound words? Compound words are 2 words combining together to make a meaningful word out of it is called as a compound word. Like in the first part also we saw words like crystal clear. Crystal and clear are 2 different words which make up a word. Courtyard, court and a yard together combining make another sensible word. Reading room, and also you can have middle-aged women's or middle-aged men's. These are the words which you can highlight. Even words like homemaker, home and maker are 2 different words. So like that you have to make up at least 5 compound words from your lesson. Next part we are doing is who said to whom and when and why. Who said to whom, when and why. The first one, the world is full of inequalities. Now who said that? Tomba. To whom? Lantoy. When and why? When he is discussing gender equality with his daughter. The second one is I want to do something interesting. Now who said that? Lantoy said. To whom? Ashangbi. When and why? When she wants to discuss something about her mother. Next we do is it is against the will of God. It is against the will of God was said by whom? Ashangbi. To whom? Lantoy. When was it said? When she is talking about the subjugation of women. And the remaining 2 you can do it by yourself. I hope you have had a good time with this lesson and learned a good message which you can give it to others at home. Thank you for having a good time.